Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to make column invisible in the tree view or list view. So, in today's lecture, we will be studying how to enhance the many-to-one field in tree view or form view. So, what I mean to say is when you go to the cells module here, you can see this particular salesperson column. Here you can see image along with the name. So how to apply such functionality to our field? Remember, this is a many to one field. Salesperson is a many to one field. And this particular type of functionality, image along with the name, will only work for ris.user or ris.partner model. Other than that, it won't work. So how to apply such functionality in our custom module for Odoo 19? Let's see. So first thing we need is a many-to-one field named as ris.user or ris.partner. So when we go to our library management module, and here in person, currently it is our character field. Now what I'll do, I'll simply delete all these particular records to avoid any errors. After deleting the records, I will go to the code here in library.person model. Instead of character field, I will add many to one and add the model. Remember, model should be ris.user or ris.partner. After adding here ris.users, now I have also added the upper character field, so I need to remove that also. Upper functionality here. So here, where is, yes, here. Why? Because now it is not a character field, it is many to one field. So I'll just restart the server, go to the apps, up, upgrade my module, go to the library management, person, just remove if there are any records, create new record, shell admin, just save it like this, here, Mitchell admin, right? Now you can see currently in the list view, we are seeing simple name, while in the cells module, you can see name along with the image. So how to apply such functionality in our library management? It is very simple. We can add a widget known as many-to-one underscore avatar underscore user for the list view as well as form view as per your requirement. So now I'll in the library management, here is our list view. I will go to the list view. Here in our library person model, it is our list view, and here in the name field I will add a widget is equals to many to one underscore avatar underscore user. Then I'll simply restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade your module, go to the library management, one person. See, now you can see image along with the name. So when this functionality will be helpful, if you have same name persons for a particular company, let's say there are two Mitchell admin. So how can you identify it? You can in that case add here an image attribute with the help of many to one avatar underscore user widget in the list view. Same can be applied in form view as well. If we go to the code, I'll simply copy this, and here is our name, I will simply add this in the form view as well. Go to the apps, upgrade your module, library management, persons view, open. See, you can see same thing in the form view as well. So in order to summarize today's topic, what I have done, in order to make the dynamic image along with the name of a many to one field, all you need to do is go to the code. First thing you have to keep that in mind, that the model should be risk.users or risk.partners. Other than that, this widget will won't work. It will show you error. Then after adding a many to one field name of with model risk.users or partners, you can simply go to its view. In list view or form view, you can simply add widget is equals to many to one underscore avatar underscore user. Then simply restart the server and upgrade your module. You will see the functionality working. Also remember, if you have already some of the records, like here I have 4 to 5 records, and if I try to change the field character type, any of the field, for example, there are lots of field. If I will change any of this particular field type, and if there are any records in the list view or form view or any of the model, then there will be error shown. Why? Because you are changing the type of this particular field, while in previous data it is of character field. So keep that also in mind. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.